Hello, I'm Dr. Diego de Marco, obstetrician and gynecologist and part of Baby in Brazil team. And in this video, I want to speak directly to parents who are giving birth or planning giving birth in Brazil. Because while your baby is coming into the world, there's another important question you might be asking. What about us? Can we stay legally in Brazil after our child is born? And the answer is yes. And it's not a loophole, it's legal right, protected by Brazilian law. Let me walk you through it step by step with clarity, care, and respect you deserve. Why parents stay legal in Brazil after childbirth? Brazil recognizes the importance of family unity. If your child is born in Brazil, they become a Brazilian citizen by birth. And that gives you, the parents, the legal right to apply for residency. This isn't about the politics or exception. It's about protecting families and giving you the right to stay with your child safely, peacefully, and officially. What documents you receive as a parent? Let's go through them. RNE, your foreign ID. RNE stands for Registro Nacional de Estrangeiros. This is your official Brazilian identification as a foreign resident. It allows you to legally reside in Brazil, open bank accounts, apply for driver's license, travel within Latin America, and even apply later for permanent residence. It's your key to becoming visible, protected, and recognized in Brazil. 2. CPF, your Brazilian tax ID. CPF stands for Cadastro de Pessoas Físicas. This little number, a big number with 9 numbers, plays a big role in everyday life in Brazil. Without CPF, you can't rent an apartment, sign contracts, open a bank account, buy a SIM card for your phone, register your child for passport at your embassy. With it, daily life becomes possible. You can function, you can protect your child, you can plan your next steps with freedom. 3. Visa adjustment, from tourist to legal resident. Maybe you entered in Brazil with a tourist visa. This is perfectly normal. But once your baby is born and has a citizenship, you can apply to adjust your status and stay legally based on family reunification. This is not temporary, it's stable, it's legitimated. It's your right as a part of a Brazilian citizen. So, how does the process actually work? You don't need to do it alone. That's where Baby in Brazil comes in. Here's what we do and what you won't have to worry about. First, we gather our required documents from both parents and the baby. 2. We translate, notarize, and organize them legally and professionally. 3. We schedule your federal police appointment. And 4. We go with you physically to apply, guiding every signature. 5. We pay the required government fees and track your application. 6. We explain each steps in your language, answer every question, and stay by your side. With us, it's clear, it's calm, it's done right. Why does this matter so much? Because without these documents, you might be unable to apply your child's passport, face difficulty accessing service, feel afraid or uncertain about your visa status. But with these documents, you will live legally, feel safe, and can support your child fully, in every sense. You are not longer a visitor. You are a recognized, documented, and protected, and that's changed everything. What now? What should you do next? If you're pregnant and planning to give birth in Brazil, or if your baby was just born, reach out to us. Send us a message on WhatsApp. Tell us when you are in the process. We'll tell you exactly what to do and we will do it with you. Also, at Baby in Brazil, we don't just guide you through the childbirth. We support your whole family from the delivery room to the legal residence. You are not here by an accident. You are here officially, legally, and with full support. We are Baby in Brazil, and we are here for you, your child, and your future.